Have you ever looked at a burger and thought, what if we made this even better? What if we ditched the regular old bun for something else? Well, get ready, because today we are diving headfirst into a food trend that's blowing up all over the world, straight from the culinary melting pot of Dubai. We're talking about the viral Dubai smash burger, but with a twist you won't see coming. We're making it completely vegetarian, and our bun? Oh, it's not a bun at all. It's a crispy, flaky, buttery Lacha Paratha. This is the ultimate East meets West fusion, and trust me, your burger nights are about to change forever. First things first, let's talk about the star of our show, the Lacha Paratha. If you've never had one, you're in for a serious treat. It's a type of Indian flatbread known for its incredible layers. Lacha literally means layers or rings. When you cook it, these layers separate and become unbelievably crispy and flaky, while the inside stays soft and chewy. It's traditionally made with whole wheat flour, ghee or butter, and a special folding technique that creates all those beautiful, delicate layers. We're using this masterpiece of a flatbread as our bun. Imagine sinking your teeth into that texture, combined with a juicy, savory patty. It's a game changer. Now, for our veggie patty. We're not using any old frozen patty here. We're making our own from scratch, and it's so simple and packed with flavor. The base is a mix of hearty chickpeas and black beans, which give it a fantastic meaty texture and a good dose of protein. We're going to mash them up, but not too much. We want some texture in there. Then we'll add our flavor builders. Finely chopped red onion for a bit of sweetness and crunch, garlic for that aromatic punch, and a handful of fresh cilantro to brighten everything up. For the spices, we're keeping it classic but bold. A bit of cumin for earthiness, smoked paprika for a hint of smokiness, and a touch of chili powder for a gentle kick. A little breadcrumb and a flax egg will bind it all together. This isn't just a veggie patty, it's a flavor bomb waiting to happen. Let's get everything prepped. For our veggie patties, I've already mashed my chickpeas and black beans. Now I'm adding the finely diced red onion, minced garlic, and chopped cilantro. Let's get our spices in there. Cumin, smoked paprika, chili powder, and of course, a good pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix it all together until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it into a paste. See this texture? It's perfect. Now, I'll shape these into balls, roughly the size of a golf ball. We'll be smashing these directly on the griddle, so we don't need to form perfect patties just yet. Set these aside. Next up, our secret sauce. Every great burger needs a great sauce, and for this fusion creation, we're making a spicy mint yogurt sauce. It's cool, it's creamy, and it has just the right amount of heat to cut through the richness of the paratha and the patty. In a bowl, I'm combining some thick Greek yogurt, a big handful of fresh mint leaves, a little cilantro, a green chili for that kick, a squeeze of lime juice for acidity, and a pinch of sugar to balance it all out. We'll blend this until it's smooth and vibrant green. The smell is already incredible. It's so fresh and zesty, the perfect counterpart to our warm, savory burger. All right, the moment of truth. It's time to cook. I've got my cast iron skillet or griddle heating up over medium-high heat. First, let's cook our Lacha Parathas. I'm using store-bought ones today to keep things super quick and easy, but you can absolutely make your own if you're feeling adventurous. A little bit of ghee or butter on the skillet. Place the paratha down and cook it for a minute or two on each side until it's golden brown, crispy, and all those layers start to puff up. Look at that. You can see the layers separating. This is exactly what we want. Once they're cooked, I'll set them aside and keep them warm. Now for the main event, the smash. Add a bit more oil to the hot skillet. Place one of your veggie patty balls onto the skillet. Now take a piece of parchment paper, place it on top, and using a heavy spatula or the bottom of a pan, press down firmly. Smash it. You want to create a thin patty with crispy, lacy edges. That's the signature of a great smash burger. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes without moving it. We want to develop a beautiful crust. Season it with a little more salt and pepper. Now flip it. Look at that caramelization. That's pure flavor right there. On top of the patty, I'm placing a slice of good old American cheese. It just melts so perfectly. You can use cheddar or provolone, whatever you like. Let it cook for another minute or two until the cheese is beautifully melted and gooey. It's assembly time. This is where the magic happens. Take one of your warm, crispy Lacha Parathas. This is our bottom bun. Let's slather on a generous amount of that spicy mint yogurt sauce we made. Don't be shy here. Now, place our cheesy, smashed veggie patty right on top. Look at that cheese drip. For some extra crunch and freshness, I'm adding some thinly sliced red onions and a couple of juicy tomato slices. You could add some lettuce or pickles too, but I like to keep it simple to let the main flavors shine. Then, we take our second Lacha Paratha, our top bun, and give it another spoonful of that delicious green sauce. Place it on top, and just look at this masterpiece. This is not just a burger. This is an experience. The Dubai Veggie Smash Burger. The textures are just insane. You have the super crispy, flaky paratha, the savory, crusty veggie patty, the gooey melted cheese, the cool and creamy sauce, and the fresh crunch of the onions and tomato. It's a symphony of flavors and textures in every single bite. The buttery richness of the paratha is the perfect vehicle for the savory patty. It's hearty, it's satisfying, and it's 100% vegetarian. This is what modern fusion cooking is all about, taking familiar concepts and turning them on their head to create something new and wildly delicious. Why is this combination so special? It's the contrast. A traditional burger bun is soft and absorbent. It's great, but it's familiar. The Lacha Paratha brings a whole new dimension. That shatteringly crisp exterior gives way to a soft, layered interior. It's like having a side of fries and your bun all in one. And pairing it with a veggie patty proves that you do not need meat to have an incredibly decadent and satisfying burger experience. The spices in our patty echo the Indian roots of the paratha, while the smash burger technique and the melted cheese are classic Americana. It's a conversation between cultures, happening right on your plate. This is the kind of recipe that's perfect for when you want to impress your friends or just treat yourself to something truly special. It looks complicated, but as you saw, it comes together so quickly, especially if you use pre-made parathas. It's street food elevated to a gourmet experience, right in your own kitchen. You can customize it too. Add some tamarind chutney for a sweet and sour kick. Maybe some pickled jalapenos for extra heat. The possibilities are endless. This is your global kitchen, so make it your own. So, next time you're craving a burger, I dare you to skip the drive-thru. Try this Lacha Paratha smash burger instead. I promise you, once you've had a burger on a paratha, you might never go back to a regular bun again. It's that good. Let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try and what you think of this incredible fusion. What other food fusions have you been loving lately? I'd love to hear about them. Thanks so much for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. I hope you're inspired to get creative and try something new. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious and innovative food ideas. Click that little notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until next time, happy cooking!